Hi friends, we are back with another trip and tricks of maths. So today we are going to look at multiplication trick. So we will have a look at how to do a multiplication of 3-digit number in a very quick way. A typical method that we use will actually have a lot of carry forwards and a lot of numbers to remember. But with this trick, you can actually solve the issue or any given problem where you have 3 digits multiplied by 3 digits very quickly. So you can see 5 patterns that I have shown. So you have to remember these patterns and we can find the answer to the multiplications of 3 digit with 3 digit using these patterns. So the first pattern that you see is to get the last digit of the answer. For that, you have to multiply last digits of both the numbers. Second pattern is we will cross multiply the last 2-digit numbers. The third pattern is cross multiplication of all the 3 numbers. So in this example, 4 will be multiplied by 1, 3 will be multiplied by 6 and 5 will be multiplied by 2. Fourth pattern is multiplication of first 2 digits. So that is the cross multiplication of first 2-digit numbers. And the last, the fifth, is multiplication of first digit number. So let's have a look at this sample. We have a sample here where we have 456 multiplied by 321. We'll follow the first pattern. So we'll multiply 6 into 1. So the answer is 6. In the second pattern, we will multiply 5 by 1 and 2 by 6. So that's 5 ones are 5 and 6 twos are 12. So the total is 17. We'll add 7 and carry forward 1. The third pattern is to multiply 4 by 1, 5 by 2 and 3 by 6. So our 4 by 1 is 4, 3 by 6 is 18, 5 by 2 is 10. So the total of 1 plus 4 plus 18 plus 10 is 33. We'll take 3 and we'll have 3 as a carry forward. Now the fourth pattern, we'll multiply 4 with 2 and 5 with 3. So 4 2s are 8 and 5 3s are 15 plus 3 that we had a carry forward from previous answer. So the total is 26. So we'll take 6 and 2 is carry forward. And the last pattern, we'll multiply 4 by 3. 4 3s are 12. So we have 12 plus 2, that is 14. So our answer is 146376. Good. So I hope you like the trick and you're loving it. Fantastic. Let's move on. So we'll look at one more sample. The number we have got is 582 multiplied by 844. We'll follow the same trick where 4 multiplied by 2, that's 8. We'll have 8 multiplied by 4 and 4 multiplied by 2. So that gives us 4 8s are 32 and 4 2s are 8. That's 32 plus 8, 40. We'll take 0 and carry forward 4. Now we have 5 multiplied by 4, 8 multiplied by 4 and 2 multiplied by 8. So 5 4s are 20, 8 4s are 32 and 2 8s are 16. So we have 20 plus 32 plus 16 plus 4, that's 72. So we'll take 2 and carry forward 7. Next we have 5 multiplied by 4 and 8 multiplied by 8. So 5 4s are 20 and 8 8s are 64. 64 plus 20 plus 7 is equals to 91. We'll take 1 and carry forward 9. And the last one, 5 8s are 40. So we have 40 plus 9, that's 49. So our answer is 491208. You saw? It's really simple as that. So if you remember this pattern, you can actually get the answers for 3-digit multiplications within 5 to 10 seconds. And the examinations during your college days and in the higher secondary education, it's very important to save every minute. Actually, I should say every second. So you can save a lot of time if you remember these tricks and you can get the answer as quickly as possible. Now, I have a small homework for you. Actually, not a homework, but we'll try to solve it right here. I'll give you 30 seconds to find the answer for 863 multiplied by 328. So your time starts now. Okay, so now 30 seconds are over. I hope you have already got the answer for it. So now let's see how to get the answer for it. If you haven't got the answer, don't worry, we will try to solve it together. So 3 8s are 24, we'll take 4 and carry forward 2. 6 8s are 48 and 2 3s are 6. So we have 2 plus 48 plus 6, that's 56. We'll take 6, carry forward 5. The next number is 8 8s are 64, 6 2s are 12 and 3 3s are 9. So we have 5 plus 64 plus 12 plus 9, that's 90. We'll take 0 and carry forward 9. The next we have 8 2s are 16 and 3 6 are 18. So 9 plus 16 plus 18 is 43. We'll take 3, carry forward 4. We have 3 8s are 24. So we have 4 plus 24, that's 28. So finally our answer is 283064. Congratulations to all of you who has got the answer right. You can pat your back for getting it correct. So friends, it's important that you practice these tricks. Try it by yourself. If you have any queries, please don't forget to write it in the comment and our team will try to answer it as quickly as possible. We'll catch up again in our next video. Oh yes, don't forget to like, comment and share this with your friends. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye-bye.